Okay, so we'll make a lentil pate. We're using half a pound of French green lentils. Once you soak them overnight and cook them, they're gonna spend like get like 3 times its size. So I already cooked them. We're gonna use medium onion. Onion needs to be fried. Walnuts, toasted walnuts. Here it's third of a cup. We're gonna use 1 tablespoon of Mirine. Okay, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, plum vinegar. Okay, it's gonna help us with gonna act as a preservative as well. We're gonna add 1 tablespoon of shitake sauce. Actually, you don't need to add the shitake. You can just substitute with tamari sauce. And we're gonna add red miso. No, we don't have a red miso right now at home, so we're just gonna add the regular miso. As for the other spices, just you can add salt, depends on your taste, and some olive oil. Okay. Now we put everything in the blender. If you don't have to use a blender, you can just use another type of a mixer. These are red lentils. Okay, so we are putting them inside the mixer. And now I'll have to do a few batches because my mixer is quite small. Okay, so it's gonna be a few batches. Okay. Then you put all the spices in the first batch, and then I'll just mix it with the rest of the lentils. Just gonna be easier for me. Okay, so 1 tablespoon of Mirine, some plum vinegar, 1 tablespoon, okay, and we'll add some shitake sauce. Actually, this batch I think it's gonna get mixed quite well without watering it. I'll just mix it. It's gonna be fine. Okay, so what I'll do, miso, 2 tablespoons of miso we're gonna use. Okay. Okay, so I'll just add some water and mix it. This. In case we'll need some more water, so we can just add it in here. Half of it. I'll add the other half. And some water because I had some hard time to mix it. I need to change our mixer. So as you can see, we managed to puree it quite smoothly on the bottom. Means that I have to continue to mix it. Add some more olive oil. You must cook the oil. Okay, I'll transfer it to another dish and I'll continue. Okay, now all I need is just to mix it all. So as you remember, I had all the spices in my first batch. Now that's your chance to taste and to see if you need to add a little bit more salt or maybe pepper. Okay. It can stay in the refrigerator for up to a week. Okay.
So you said when it's very soft, I guess you'll cook it for about 1 hour approximately?
Yeah, it takes minimum 1 hour. It depends on the lentils, but plus I soak them overnight and
Okay.
let them to sprout a little bit.
Right.
So yeah, so it will take 1 hour for sure.
Okay.
Okay. So that's it.
Okay, that's good. Thank you.